Hi Professor Karen and my dear classmates, my name is Harpreet Kaur Virk and today is August 15, 2019 and the title of the lab experiment which I am going to perform today is antibiotic sensitivity, and that is the Kirby-Boer diffusion testing, and this experiment related to my Bio 225 microbiology class, and this is the week 7. And in this experiment, I'm going to use the microbe S. epidermidis, that is the active culture of that, and I'm going to use 3 antibiotics, that is the gentamicin, penicillin, and novavirsin. They are in the form of a disc, and this disc has a particular concentration of that antibiotics. They are already prepared. So I'm going to see how this S. epidermidis is resistant to this antibiotics, and how much effective are these antibiotics in inhibiting the growth of these microbes. So I'm going to start my experiment now. I already did half of it, because it requires 1 to 2 hours for preparing the agar and the absorption of the broth of this microbe. So, but still I'm going to demonstrate what I did actually. So this is my S. epidermidis culture, you can see here, and which I already prepared in the earlier first few weeks of this class. And this is my tweezer with alcoholinate, and the first part what I did is I prepared the agar plate by pouring method, and then before actually starting the experiment 1 hour before that, and I had that pipette in alcohol, and these are already used, but I am just keeping here in this experiment to demonstrate. So what I did is I took this and opened it and then sterilized it, and took the pipette and take out about 0.5 ml of that the solution, that broth, and I opened this and I put with the pipette in the center of this, where you can see 3 partitions I made for the antibiotics, one for gentamicin and one for penicillin and one for novavirsin, and I poured in the center of the 8 drops of this broth in there, and then with the help of the tweezers, but I'm just going to pretend it, this one, I just make it even so that broth is evenly distributed with the active culture, and I left it for like this undisturbed for 1 or 2 hours so that broth, the culture of this microbe is absorbed in the agar. And after that, I have my tweezers here, I dried it good, and then I took 2 antibiotics which I already did. You can see the disc here, I already did 2 just to save the time in the video. So I already did gentamicin, I already did novavirsin, but I'm going to demonstrate one, so actually you know what I did. So the one remaining is penicillin, so I'm going to open that here, and I'm going to grab that disc here. You can see here the disc. So I grab the disc here, I'm going to open this, and I'm going to put this in the middle of this gentamicin area here, and I'm going to press it so it gets stick to the agar. And so you can see I have all these 3, and I'm going to incubate it for 12 hours. This one afterwards I'm going to throw in the bleach solution. So all 3 I have done here, and I'm going to see how these antibiotics, each of them, they are going to inhibit the growth of the microorganism, and which one is the most strongest and effective in killing this microbe. So after 12 hours we will see, and it should be, if there is a growth, we can see a lawn like white growth on this agar, and around this disc we will see how much area is without that growth, and measure it in millimeters, and let's see and wait for 12 hours and then observe the results, and that's it. Thank you very much.